Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you've started working with AI models, you've probably heard the terms zero shot, one shot, and few shot prompting. It sounds complicated, but it's actually a very simple and powerful idea. In this video, we're going to focus on one shot prompting. What is it, and how can you use it to get better results from your AI? Let's break it down. So, what is one shot prompting? Simply put, it's a technique where you give the AI exactly one example of the task you want it to do. That's it, just one. This single example, or shot, acts as a guide. It shows the model the specific format, style, or logic you're looking for. Think of it as a middle ground. Zero shot is when you give only an instruction and no examples. Few shot is when you give several examples to teach a complex pattern. One shot is the perfect balance when a single example is enough to get your point across. Let's look at some practical examples. Our first one is sentiment analysis. Imagine you want the AI to classify text as positive, negative, or neutral. You would structure your prompt like this. First, you give your example. Text: I'm not sure how I feel about this new update. Sentiment: neutral. This example clearly shows the AI that you want the word neutral, not a long sentence explaining the sentiment. Now, you add your new input. Text: this is the best sandwich I have ever eaten. Sentiment: the AI will see your example, understand the format, and will be highly likely to respond with just positive. This works great for simple, specific tasks like translation, too. Let's say you want to translate English phrases into Telugu. Your prompt would look like this. First, your one-shot example. English: good morning, Telugu. Then, you add your new query. English: thank you, Telugu. By providing that first example, the AI knows you want a direct translation in Telugu script, and it will output. My favorite use for one-shot prompting is data formatting. This is incredibly useful. Let's say you want to pull a product name and its price from a block of text. You start with your instructions and your single example. From the text below, extract the product name and its price. Text: today, the new Super Widget X100 was released for $499. Product: Super Widget X100 price, $499. See, this example tells the AI exactly how to label the data, product, and price. Now, you give it your new text. Text: we are excited to announce the HyperPhone 12, which will be available for $1,200. Product: price. The AI will follow your template perfectly and fill in the blanks. Product: HyperPhone 12 price, $1,200. So to recap, one-shot prompting is all about giving the AI one clear, high-quality example. It's a simple, powerful way to guide the model and get the exact format and output you need, without having to write complex instructions or provide dozens of examples. If your zero-shot prompts aren't working, try adding just one example. You might be surprised by the results. I hope this breakdown was helpful. If it was, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content on AI and technology, and let me in the comments. What's your favorite way to use prompting? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.